Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to create layers in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, go to the Home tab and locate the Layers section on the ribbon. Over here, click on Layer Properties. Then you can also type Layers into the command line and press Enter. After that, the Layer Properties Manager will open. Over here, look for the new layer icon at the top of the window and click it. Then you can also press Alt plus N to create a new layer. After that, a new layer will be added to the layer list. Over here, rename the new layer with a descriptive name. Then, adjust the layer color if needed. After that, modify the line weight settings as required. Over here, use the visibility option if you want to hide a layer temporarily. Then, use the freeze option if you want to prevent editing on that layer. After that, select the new layer and set it as the current layer. Over here, start drawing and all new objects will be created on the current layer. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.